Okay, now we go to our bestseller sa Microtech automatic OTF knife. So basic lang. Ulak mo palabas, lalabas yung knife, ulak mo pa ganun, pabalik yung knife. So meron siyang loop there. So pwede mong ilagay sa pocket. And then at the same time meron siyang glass breaker here. Nowadays, medyo essential tong glass breaker para in the event na kung ano man na mangyari, pwede mong ipambasag na salamin without breaking the knife. Materials niya here on the base, they made, I think it's ABS plastic. Not so sure about that. Anyways, it's plastic. I don't know kung ba't nila ginawa yun. Maybe it's for lightweight carry. So wala siyang safety kasi medyo may pressure pagka in-on and off mo yung knife. Hindi basta-basta ma-open. So now, let's weigh it. Timbang niya is 70 grams. Right? Thank you.